Hey guys, Mystical GT here. We are playing Fun Monkey Horror 2, and we are with Caleb VR here, and we are playing Crawl Space.
I do not have a YouTube channel.
He does not have a YouTube channel. And we're playing Crawl Space 1. Who is T? He hates horror. No, but who is T? I'll get him away. Loser, loser, loser. Go, go, go.
Who is T? Is that
Who is T?
Is that a place?
Oh crap! Go down!
Can I see the jump scare? What is the jump scare?
It's Goofy. Whee! Okay, I'm stop. I'm gonna stop. We should
No, I see him coming. I'm coming back, dude. Chill out. Stop being a baby. Wait, T's
Damn! No, but who is T? He's in every map I'm in. Yo, let's go to Forest.
Why?
I don't know. Just because.
Okay, I do not like this.
Bye.
Oh, no. Freak you.
Housing loop.
No.
Button. Yeah, I think Crawl Space 1 is the best.
What about this one?
I'm stuck in the roof!
I do not like this.
I'm going down.
Okay, wait, the door's closed. We can't get...
Bro! Oh damn, that scared me.
Sea of Thieves in it.
No! I hate you! I hate you! No. Damn, why did that scare me? No, what was that?
Are you coming? What was what? No!
Bro, I'm just better like that.
We're actually going for real.
Bro, I'm gonna go
We're
this
men.
way.
Why?
Let's go this way.
No.
Bro, why does this remind me? Oh. Oh my god! Oh, it's the same monster! It's the same goofy monster! Okay,
Close the door, click! Close the door! Close the door!
Get on here! Yeah, you pathetic! Bro, it's the same monster! Just goofy jump scare. Bro, tell me if it disappears.
It's still here.
Did we get it stuck?
good, my dude? Whoa!
Bro, you run again, I'll close the door.
Yeah, come
It's
What the heck? What is this? Old place? What is this? You just click this button. Click this button.
Oh yeah, roll page. I don't know what it is. Yeah, Goofy.
I just died. Yeah, Goofy. He just opened the door. He just opened the door.
I didn't even die. Oh my god, I didn't even die. Bro, I didn't even. Yeah, Goofy.
Oh no. Ooh.
Goofy!
Gotta go faster, Sonic. Oh, I took him. You're freaking.
No! Yes! Bro,
I did it.
you're so good. I swear to God, if you open the door again. I'm scared. Let me in! Let me in! Open the door. No! Oh God, hi!
Yo, what's good, my dude? Oh, jeez.
No! I trapped him in there!
Open the door! Close the door quick!
Bro, what if I...
Come on. Yeah! No, my arm is stuck! Help me! Help!
Can't you pull your arm through?
Help!
I'll go get the monster.
Go get the monster! Go get the monster!
Hi, Goofy.
I'm safe!
Ah!
Help me!
No, my battery!
Help me! Help! Don't leave me here, Michael! Help me!
Yay!
Oh no! Oh my god, I almost got me stuck. Open the door.
Yo,
Open the door.
this is gonna be the end of the video.
Michael! Open
Bye!
the door! Michael! Help me!
The end of the video,
Michael.
guys.
Oh. Bye! He got trapped.
Alright, guys. That was Fun Monkey Horror 2. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Where's T?
In the next video, we're probably going to be with Caleb Cubs. If you want to friend him, that's him. Caleb Cub, Caleb
Where
DC.
are you?
And I'll see you guys in the next part.
Bye.